warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, student.
Morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine too. Thank you. Okay. Before we start learning, let's read basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Now I want to take your attendance. Okay. Dina Haniam,
Present.
Dian Pratiwi,
Present, Miss.
Nisa Nur.
Present.
So guys, I have pictures. Please look at the picture there. Okay. In this picture, which picture interests you most? Yang kalian lihat di sini itu ada gambar apa aja nih?
HP, Miss.
HP in English is?
Handphone.
There. Good. And then
Dog.
what's more? Dog. Dog is anjing. And car. Okay. What is the function of thing? Jadi fungsi dari gambar-gambar ini tuh apa? Kayak ada handphone, ada anjing, ada mobil. Yang kalian tahu fungsi dari itu tuh apa sih?
Mobil untuk pergi kemana-mana.
Iya, buat bepergian dari satu tempat ke tempat yang lain kita perlu alat transportasi seperti mobil. And then handphone buat apa?
Untuk menelpon seseorang, Miss.
That's right, buat call someone. Oh, pacar ya? Oke. And then dog.
Sebagai hewan peliharaan.
Iya, selain dari buat peliharaan, anjing itu bisa juga sebagai penjaga rumah. Atau anjing kan punya penciuman yang tajam nih, biasanya dimanfaatkan oleh kepolisian untuk mencari suatu bukti. Oke. From this question and picture, what fact that you are going to learn about? Dari gambar-gambar ini, dari yang fungsi-fungsi tersebut, ada yang sudah bisa menebak kita bakalan belajar tentang apa?
Tidak tahu.
Tidak tahu?
No, man.
Okay. Now we are to learn about report text.
Report text.
Report text. What is a report text? Ada yang sudah tahu apa itu report text?
No.
Okay, report text. Report text is a text that presents information about something in general based on research. Jadi report text ini adalah suatu teks yang berisikan informasi mengenai sesuatu dan dijelaskan secara umum berdasarkan dari suatu penelitian. Contoh dari report text ini seperti artikel-artikel yang ada dalam suatu ensiklopedia. Jadi mereka berisi suatu informasi dan berisi research. Begitu. Oke, apa sih tujuan dari report text itu? Ada yang sudah tahu?
Tujuan
What is report text used for?
Untuk menginformasikan sesuatu.
Great, benar banget. Ada yang lain?
untuk menganalisis sesuatu.
Ya, menganalisis suatu hasil. Oke, great. Yay. Ada yang tahu lagi? Oke. Purpose dari report text ini adalah to inform about certain function of a participant. Jadi untuk menginformasikan tentang suatu objek berdasarkan dari suatu fakta. And then struktur dari report text ada 2. Apa aja? Yang pertama ada general classification. Yang kedua itu ada description. Iya, jadi dari report text itu ada dijelasin generalnya dan ada deskripsinya. Okay, the first structure is general classification. Is a part of the report text structure that contains general classification of the object being discussed. This section actually contains basic information about the object. And for example, in the general classification, if the report text is about animal, the general classification can include the scientific name, the type of food, and the most recognizable thing or aspect of the object. Jadi di general classification ini itu tuh dijelasin secara general, masih umum mengenai namanya, mengenai kalau hewan itu berarti apa yang dia makan, kayak gitu. And second is description. Description is the part of the report text structure that contains a description of the object being discussed in the more detail. For example, its basic function, habit, and lifespan. Oke, seperti ini contohnya. Nanti Miss akan share PPT-nya ke kalian. Oke. And then language rules. Di report text ini biasanya itu menginformasikan hal-hal yang bersifat sekarang. Jadi language rules dari report text ini sendiri, yang pertama itu simple present tense. Report text will use simple present tense or a situation that occur in the present. The characteristics are words like often, usually, always, today, and so on. And then general nouns. Report text will explain general information based on fact. Therefore, the nouns used are also general. Seperti contohnya lion, cat, duck, and so on. Jadi menjelaskan masih secara general. And then linking verb. Linking verb are verbs that connect other words. Contohnya is, are, and so on. And the last language rules is technical term. Report text also often use terms related to the topic discussed. For example, when you make a report text about animals, there must be a term about the animals in the text. Okay. Sekarang student sudah tahu kan mengenai report text itu seperti apa?
Sudah, Miss.
Oke, tadi report text itu isinya apa sih? Menggambarkan tentang apa? Berisi apa? Information yang bersumber dari research, dari suatu penelitian. Okay, now I have a text, report text about something. Okay, student, I will give you report text, and please read together. Go. Okay, read together. Start with
Okay, Miss. A handphone, also known as mobile phone or cell phone, is an electronic communication device that allows users to make calls, send messages, and access internet.
It is one of the most commonly used technologies in modern society.
Handphones are portable and can be used anywhere with network coverage, making them an essential tool for personal and professional communication.
Modern phones are equipped with various advanced features such as touchscreen, high-resolution camera, GPS navigation, Bluetooth, and Internet connectivity.
This feature supports not only communication but also entertainment, education, and business activities.
Okay, then I have a worksheet and you will answer the question based on the text. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, I will give you 20 minutes untuk mengerjakan worksheet itu. Silakan bisa melanjutkan. Finish, student? Okay, we will correct this together, okay? Are you ready?
Ready?
Okay, we want to answer number 1. Siapa yang mau? Yeah.
The question is, what is the function of a handphone in communication? The answer is, a handphone allows users make calls, send messages, and access the internet.
Good, benar banget.
Yeah.
Yeah, very fast. Okay, and then number 2. Okay, silakan Mbak.
Number 2, mention two advanced features of modern phones. One is touchscreen, high-resolution cameras, GPS navigation, and Bluetooth.
Good, benar banget. And then, Puan, Tina.
What is the main idea of the first paragraph? The first paragraph explains the general definition of a handphone and its main function as a communication tool.
Great, benar banget. Okay, number 4. Siapa yang mau jawab? In comprehension. Mbak Dina. Number 4.
Number 4, why should people use the phone wisely? Because excessive use can lead to health problem and reduce social interaction.
Benar. Yeah, great. And then number 5. Haisa.
The question is, do you agree that handphones can have social interaction? Why or why not? Yes, because spending too much time on handphone can reject direct face-to-face communication with others.
Great. Good answer. It's right. And then text structure identification. Bedian?
Oke, paragraf 1 termasuk ke dalam general classification. I think the reason is it gives the definition and general information about handphones.
Ya, benar. Ada kalau itu?
For the second paragraph is description, and the reason is it describes the features uses and impacts of handphone.
Okay, good, give applause. And then vocabulary practice. Number 1 until 5. Mbak Dila, Bibi,
Okay.
answer.
Number 1, portable. The meaning is easy to carry or move.
Yeah.
Number 2, connectivity is C, link or access to a network.
Mhm.
Application is D, a program designed for a specific task on phone. Communication is A, able to send and receive message. And feature is E, a function or part of a device.
Great answer. Give applause. Okay, and then I have something. What is it? Charger. Now, I want you to write a text report according to the structure and linguistic rules yang tadi udah kita pelajari mengenai struktur dan juga tata kebahasaan. Nah, sekarang Miss mau kalian membuat report text about charger. Oke, sekarang Miss bagikan worksheet-nya ya. Ditulis di worksheet-nya. Oke, bisa dikerjakan 30 menit selesai ya. Oke, kamu kerjakan. Finish.
Finish.
Okay, now I will call you to come forward and read your report text. Faisal, can you come forward?
Gimme. The title with type C charger. General classification. A Type C phone charger is an electronic device used to power up smartphones and other compatible gadgets. It has a traceable connector, which means it can be plugged in either way. The white Type C charger is one of the most commonly used chargers for modern smartphones due to its fast charging capability and universal compatibility. Thank you.
Great, give applause. Okay, do you have any question about our learning today?
No, Miss.
Jadi kita tadi sudah belajar tentang report text, about what report texts are, structure of writing report text, and tentang kaidah kepenulisan dari report text. So maybe today's lesson enough. And before we close the learning, let's say hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Thank you for today and assalamualaikum.